Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Log Learning. In this video we are going to solve ICSE Mathematics Class 8 Chapter 14 Factorization Exercise 14G questions 1 to 5. See, what does question 1 say? It says a square plus 7a plus 12 and we have to factorize this. Let's see carefully. So basically these type of expressions are called quadratic expressions. They have the degree as 2. Now see how to factorize them. They are always in the form of x square plus bx plus c, where x square you can see is a square, b has the value of 7 here, x is replaced by a in this question and c is with 12. Now you have to break this expression down. Okay, how do you have to break it down? You only have to break this middle term. Okay, this 7a we have to break down in such a way that the sum of the two terms we will get will be 7, okay, 7a, and the product of the numerical coefficients is going to be 12. See here, I will show you a square plus, so we can take 4a as one term. Okay, now see, 4, in 4 what do we need to add that we get 7a, 3a, right? And now what do we need to multiply 4 with to get 12? 3. So it is same. So 4a plus 3a plus 12, right? Now it is simple grouping question. You can group these two. Okay, now see here, what you will take common out of this group. First of all, you will take a common, so you will be left with a plus 4. And here you will take 3 common, so you will be left with a plus 4. Now from both the groups you can take a plus 4 as common, so you will be left with a plus 3. Clear? In case you are wondering from where I got this 4 and 3, there is also a process for that. You can take your c. Okay, you want to bring the product as 12, so you can take 12 here and you can prime factorize this like this. So now see carefully the prime factors. One prime factor can be taken as 3, the other can be taken as 2 into 2, 4. So 3 into 4 is 12 and 3 plus 4 is 7, and that is how we have got this. But this has come directly from the mind, okay? You don't need to show this, but this is just for your understanding, okay? Now see the second question. We have x square plus 8x plus 15. Same rule will come in all types of these expressions. In this entire exercise we have to use the same rule, that is to split the middle term. See here carefully. First of all we will take x square. Okay, now we have to split the middle term, which is 8x. We have to split 8x in such a way, okay, in such a way that the sum will remain 8x only, and what will happen, and the product will be what? C, that is 15. So the sum has to be 8x and what? The product has to be 15. Generally the product is 15 into coefficient of x square, but there is no coefficient here, so we are leaving that. We are leaving that, only we are taking as c. Okay, generally it is ac, but a here is 0 only, right? A would come here like this, so a into c, but it is not there, it is 0, so forget about that. Now see, x square, now split 8x in such a way that the sum will be 8x and the product will be 15. So what factors of 15 are there that we can take for this question? So think carefully. So 15 goes 1 times by 15, okay, so that is not going to work. 15 and 1, that will not give me 8. Then what else can we take? 5 and 3 we can take, because 5x plus 3x is what? 8x, okay, and 5 into 3 is what? 15. Now copy the rest of the question down. Okay, this also you can do with the prime factorization. Now take x square plus 5x in one group and 3x plus 15 in another group. This will take x common from here, you will be left with x plus 5. Take 3 common from here, you will be left with x plus 5. Now take x plus 5 common in both the groups and you will be left with x plus 3, which is what? Your final answer. Alright, let's move on to the next question. Now see the third question. What have we got here? X square plus 13x plus 42. Okay, so entire of this we will be solving taking this in mind. See here, what is b? 13. What is C? 42, right? X square and x are already there. So we have to split the middle term, which is 13x, in such a way that the sum will be 13 plus 13, okay? And the product of the middle terms, that will be 42. Now let's see what terms can we take. Okay, let's look at the factor. 6 will cancel this. 6 into how much is 42? 6 into 7 is 42, right? And 6 plus 7 is what? 13. So we have got our factors: x square plus 6x plus 7x plus 42. Clear? This is how we have split the middle term. In case whenever you are stuck, you always have the option of prime factorization. Okay, you can do it this way, right? Now wait a second, 21 and then 7 and 3 here, right? So you can see 2 into 3 we have taken here, this and this, 6x, and then 7 was the other factor, so 6x plus 7x. Now look here, we will group this x square plus 6x in one group and 7x plus 42 in another group. Clear? Now you can solve. Take x common, you will have x plus 6 left here. Take 7 common, you will have x plus 6 left here. So your x plus 6 can be taken common from both the groups. You will be left with x and plus 7, which is the answer, right? Then you have fourth question. Now this is x square minus 17x plus 72. You have a negative term, minus 17x, which is your middle term. It is negative, so you have to be careful with the sign also. Remember, if you want correct answer, you have to of course take the correct factors, okay, but also you have to take in mind the sign also, okay? If you have minus, then be careful, your value can change. I will show you how. First of all, see, you have minus 17x, which you have to split in such a way that you have the product of the term as plus 72. Now see here, the product should be plus 72 and sum should be minus 17. Now see, what can we split it like? See, x square. First of all, let's look at the factors of 72, okay? So let's see, 1 into 72, of course not. We can take 2. Can we take 2? 2 into 36 is 72. Again, we can't take that. Perfect thing for this one is going to be 9 and 8. 9 into 8 is 72. 9 8 is 72, right? If you recall. And 9 plus 8 is 17. Now we have to change some signs here such that we get 9 and 8. Their sum is coming out minus 17. See here. You write here 9x. You write here 8x. Okay. And you write plus 72. This is clear. We are not putting sign for the middle terms right now because plus 72 is plus only, but their signs have to be changed. Now see, and 8x. So the product is plus 72 and the sum is minus. That means what? Both the terms will be minus or not? Minus into minus gives you plus, and minus minus is going to give you minus only when you are going to add. Okay, so minus 9 into minus 8 plus 72, minus 9 plus minus 8 is minus 17. Group this. One group can have x square minus 8 x, and the other group can have minus 8x plus 72. So we have taken this part, we have grouped it here, we have taken this part, we have grouped it here, and put a plus n in between. Now from here we can take x common and you will be left with x minus 9. From here, let's see what can we take common. We want x minus 9 in this bracket. So first term, that is x minus 8x, it should become positive. So we will take minus 8 outside the bracket. So minus 8x upon minus 8 will be plus 8, plus 72 upon minus 8, minus 9. Clear? Now x minus 8 in one bracket, x minus 9 in another bracket. This is our answer. Now let's move on to the next question. Alright, now fifth question. It is s square plus 9s minus 36. Clearly we can see this is in this form, right? We have to split 9s, that is our middle term, in such a way that the sum will be 9s only and product will be minus 36. Clearly it is visible. I will write it here also. Sum is plus 9, product is what? Minus 36. Now see here. We will begin, s square will stay as it is, 9s and 36. So can you think of any factors of 36 who have their sum as 9? Let's see. 4 and 9. No, not possible. 12 and 3. 12, okay, and 3. How? See. Don't attach any signs to these right now. Write down the rest of the question. Now we will give them the signs also. See carefully. 12 and 3. So we want plus 9. I can make this 3 minus and this 12 what? Plus. Now see, 12 minus 3 is plus 9. 12 into minus 3 is minus 36. Our work is done. So we can now solve this. Just group this. First group s square plus 12s and another group minus 3s minus 36. Okay. What can you take common here? You can take s common here. You will be left with s plus 12. From here you can take minus outside the bracket and you will be left, and you can take 3 also, minus 3 outside the bracket. You will be left with s plus 12. So you group this. S plus 12 you can take common from both the brackets, and in another bracket you will have s minus 3. This is what? This is your answer. Alright. And friends, this is all for today. If you are new to my YouTube channel, do not forget to subscribe and leave a like on this one. Till then, take good care of yourselves and bye bye.